Hey everyone, welcome back to Cog Software Tutorials. In today's tutorial, we are going to dive into Webflow and learn how to set up a page using the fantastic starter library layouts. This feature is incredibly useful for saving time and ensuring your design are top-notch. So let's not waste any more time and jump right into it. Now open up your project and let's dive into the starter library. You'll find it in the left-hand menu. Click on Starter to open it up. Here you'll find a range of beautifully designed layouts to choose from. They cover various niches and styles, so there's something for everyone. Take your time to browse through a pick of layouts that suits your project. Once you've found a layout you like, simply click on it. Webflow will automatically apply it to your project. Don't worry, you can customize and modify it later to fit your specific needs. I'll add navbar, hero section, features list, and footer. Now let's start customizing. You can change colors, fonts, and content right here in Webflow. Play around with it until you're happy with how it looks. Let's change font for our heading. On the right side panel, you can see our typography settings. So we can change our font. For example, I can go with Leto, and font weight I would choose bold. Also, we can change a color here. Let's try this blue color. Next, we can change our button style. On the right side panel, you can see color of the background. You can pick a color from our heading. Good. Also, we can change a border radius here. Let's try 16 pixels. Okay. You can see that we have two buttons, one in the navigation bar and second in our hero section. They both have same style applied to them. So our navigation bar has button primary 3 class name and our hero button has the same. So any change I make to one of those buttons, it will apply to another one. Next, let's add your own content. This could be text, images, video, or any other elements you need. Simply drag and drop them onto the page. Let's add image to our hero section and delete this one. Plus, we can change our logo in navigation bar. Good. And we can add some icons here. Those icons looks a little bit large, so we can change their size. Now we have 80 pixels width and height for these icons. I would change that to 32 pixels. Now you can see that icon and text aligned vertically. Now let's make this icon align to top. So we choose this feature block section. So we choose this feature block and we want to change align to start. Good. Okay. You can also change text right here. Simply click 2 times on the heading and type your title. Once you've got your content in place, it's time to fine-tune the details, adjust margins, paddings, and any other styling options to get the perfect look. Don't forget to preview your page to see how it's coming along. To do this, click on the eye icon here. And there you have it. Setting up a page in Webflow using starter library layouts is a breeze. It's a fantastic way to kickstart your project and save valuable time. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Webflow tips and tricks. And as always, if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.